A Canton local is combining her passion for theater and her love for God in the role of youth theater workshop instructor with Family Life. Canton homepage managing director Eric Berggren has more on this after a word from our sponsor.
They tow now?
Yep, we tow now. From Troy to Wellsboro and anywhere in between. Matthews Motor Company in Covington, Pennsylvania.
I'm here at the Independent Baptist Church in Towanda, and many of you watching at home probably recognize my guest here today. Samantha Morgan is usually one of our homepage correspondents, but today she's doing something a little different. Can you tell us what's happening here today?
Absolutely. So we are doing the Youth Theater Workshop. It's a summer program with Family Life Network. They are a Christian radio station, and I have been a part of this program for a long time, and I usually am on stage with the students. I was an actor in these programs, but now I have come back. This is my second year in a row, and I am now a teacher for the Youth Theater Workshop. So it's been a pleasure, and it's been an amazing full circle moment for me.
That's great. Can you tell us a little bit about what the job entails to be an instructor?
Sure. So we have 2 weeks of training at the beginning of June, where we learn a bunch of games. It's mostly game playing, I won't lie. And we learn different workshops that we teach these students. We learn building blocks of acting, we learn improv, we learn movement and storytelling, which is my favorite workshop. They get to write a story all together and act it out, and it's a fun time. And we also, obviously, we take time to pray together, and we get our teams together, and we each go out for different locations, and we put on a show in 5 days from Monday to Friday. We are rehearsing, we are playing games, we are acting, we are singing, we are dancing, and on Friday there's a show, and it's amazing to see it all come together.
That's fantastic. What would you say is your favorite part about working for these workshops?
That's hard because I love so much about these workshops, and they've obviously been part of my journey for a long time. And I think just watching the kids connect, getting to connect with them, watching them grow closer to God in their faith, and watching them come out of their shell on Friday to perform and acting and singing and dancing and all becoming friends for the week. It's an amazing thing to watch them progress throughout the week.
Absolutely. And if anyone wants to see the production here in Towanda, when and where can they see it?
Absolutely. So the production is Friday, July 18th. It starts at noon. Doors open at 11:30. It is here at the Independent Baptist Church, and it should be a fun time.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Absolutely. Thank you.
For more information on Family Life and its youth theater workshops, visit familylife.org. Thanks for watching Canton Homepage.
They tow now?
Yep, we tow now. From Troy to Wellsboro and anywhere in between. Matthews Motor Company in Covington, Pennsylvania.